this is a crazy manufacturing story, and this is why I absolutely love my job. Found my purpose, and check this out. So we got this guy, Justin Shell, and he's actually coming to our facility with his cousin Hank, and these guys are amazing. Now, the story here is this guy is a machinist that actually just purchased a CNC machine, but he's actually never machined. So this guy is taking the craziest risk, but check this out. You gotta understand the backstory, because one night Justin was in bed. He'd just gotten divorced. His whole life had basically crumbled. And he's in bed and he's on YouTube. He doesn't know me, he doesn't know anybody. And his cousin Hank is in the motorcycle business and stuff. And he's actually like on YouTube. He comes into Titans of CNC and he's watching a video where I'm just talking about bringing jobs back to America and just rising to greatness and talking about my life and the things that I've been through and all of that. And he is literally watching this video and he just becomes inspired. He starts watching all of these videos, and he's just like renewed hope, renewed everything. And he knows at that moment, this is what he was made for. So much so that he actually takes everything, talks to his cousin, who actually has a company, Chop Chop Speed Shop, and actually they come together and Justin goes and purchases a CNC machine from Titans of CNC. So he watches a video and then gets inspired, and months later, he actually buys a CNC machine from us. He actually takes our classes online. He goes and learns how to design aftermarket parts. He actually figures out all the different parts. He comes to us, we look at the parts, we find a machine that's perfect for him at an affordable price. We partner with him. The machine is actually coming in. He's never even seen the machine yet. He has never seen a style before in person, but we actually surprise him. And that's where everything comes full circle. So not only are we selling him a machine and partnering with him for his success, for their success, but I actually worked with Barry and said, you know what? Let's actually program his parts. Check this out. And the boys are here. What's up? What's up? So you guys needed help with the programming. So we actually went ahead and tooled it up and actually machined the parts complete for you. Actually, Barry designed a crazy fixture right there that actually fits all 4 parts on it. And we're gonna actually give you all the carbide tooling and the parts and the programs to help you guys start your journey into CNC machining.
Wow.
Oh,
man, that's
super good, super
above
good.
and beyond.
And programming is everything, but now you know that the programs are good because you actually have good parts. And we actually put them on the CMM, and Travis did the inspection on them. And surprisingly, everything that Barry programmed and Steven actually ran came out absolutely perfect. So
miracles do happen.
Miracles do happen, man. So, and what was cool also is we had 4 different parts. So Barry actually programmed 3 of them. We gave 1 to Jesse, and Jesse actually brought up Cam Assist from CloudNC, and he programmed that, which was basically cheating because it happened in seconds. He made a few adjustments in the program, and we actually ran that program, and the parts came out absolutely beautiful. So Jesse was done in a couple seconds, but Barry had to work all day on those programs, and boom, we got the job done.
This is a very young business, and so we're growing, and we work full-time jobs too, man. That's the other thing. Like we're busy during the day, and we come home and burn the midnight oil, trying to make it happen. And it unfortunately we can't get it to move as fast as we want, but you know, it's
well, hopefully we
good
just
things take time.
Took you up a notch right
Oh,
there.
you did. This is
I
can't thank you enough.
He's been looking at the parts. He actually already put money and actually purchased a machine.
Right.
But he actually hasn't seen the machine, and it's right there. So he's looking at the parts. You want to like check out this bad boy right
for
there?
a minute, man. I can't
Come
tell
on,
you.
man.
The X9. The X9.
This thing is solid, man. This thing is a beast. If you actually went to a leading competitor, the same machine basically costs about 30% more, and it's actually, this one's 13,000 pounds and the other one's like 8,900 pounds. So it's just built rock solid. And I don't want to like speak to all of it. I don't want to steal Keith's glory, but man, what Schneeberger castings, you know, stainless weight covers, you know what I mean?
Siemens control.
Siemens control, boom. Now that Justin is seeing how we actually went about machining these components, now he gets it. Now he can actually learn from these first 4 parts, and every part that he thinks of, now he can think about the manufacturing process. And he also can actually send parts to us, and we can help him with that thought process, with the mindset to actually machine them efficiently. So now he can actually leave our shop. His mind is open. He's seen the machine. Now it's about rising to greatness, going after it, and putting the work in. If you make it happen, if you actually grind and have tenacity and talent, and you go after it, and no matter what, you never stop. No matter how big of roadblocks come, you figure out a way to get past them, you will be successful. So to Justin and Hank and everyone out there going after their dream, man, rise up, go after it. Nobody has your talent. You were made for this, so go get it. Boom.